this is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are stir frying prawns and mixed vegetables. For the vegetables, I have some broccoli, cauliflower, mini corn, carrots, and 3 cloves of garlic. Okay, technically, for this dish, garlic is more aromatic than it is a vegetable. Anyway, you can also include onions, tomatoes, or some red chilies. We'll start by preparing the broccoli and the cauliflower. Prepare a bowl of water and put in 1 tablespoon of salt. Then cut the broccoli into florets. You do this by cutting around the core to release the florets. Then, cut them into smaller pieces. The broccoli stems can be eaten as well. Just cut off the outer layer and slice it up. Put the florets and the stems into the bowl of water to soak them for about 20 to 30 minutes. The salt will get rid of any worms and other insects that are hiding in the broccoli. Do the same for the cauliflower. Give these vegetables a regular good mix to dislodge any stubborn worms or insects that are hiding in them. And we will need some prawns. I have some prawns here. Their shells have been removed and they are deveined. Now, a tip on cutting and presentation. I assume that your prawns will be the star of the show. Cut your florets into smaller pieces so that their size will not overpower the prawns and take attention away from them. Meanwhile, cut up the carrots. I have a really skinny carrot here. The trick to make carrots look a lot larger than they are is to cut the slices into a diagonal angle. Like this. Cut the mini corn into half diagonally as well. Then, chop up your garlic. Next, for the sauce. In some water, add oyster sauce, soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, white pepper, cornflour. Give all this a good mix till the cornflour is dissolved. The exact amounts are in the description below. After 20 minutes, drain the cauliflower and the broccoli. You can see the water is dirtier than before here. but there are no worms or insects. If there are worms or insects, they will be floating on the top. Next, rinse the broccoli and cauliflower under running water to clean and wash away the salt. Now to stir fry. Heat up a pan over medium heat. When the pan is hot, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add in your garlic and prawns. Stir fry your garlic and prawns for about 30 seconds to a minute till the prawns are pink. This looks a bit dry here. I'm adding a little bit more oil. When the prawns are pink, remove them. In the same wok, by the way, you do not need to wash the wok. In the same wok, add in a little bit more oil. When the oil is hot, put in the broccoli, cauliflower, corn, carrots, and give all this a good toss. Add in about 150 ml of water. Bring the water to a boil, then cover. Let the steam build up in the pan. Let the vegetables steam for about 1 to 2 minutes till they're tender. After 1 to 2 minutes, your broccoli should be bright green in color. When the vegetables are tender, add the prawns and the garlic back into the pan. Next, give the sauce a good stir. The cornflour would have settled at the bottom by now. When it's mixed thoroughly, pour it into the vegetables. Bring the sauce to a boil. Give it a good stir. Then, turn off the heat. Taste and adjust for seasoning. If the taste is the way you want it to be, we are done. This is Prawns and Mixed Vegetable Stir Fry.